How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. In order to deactivate your Instagram account, firstly open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Simply tap on it and then in this page, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right. By doing so, you will be able to see the settings and activity page. From here, you will need to tap on this account center option. By doing so, you will be taken to account center. Here you will need to look for personal details option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and now here tap on this account ownership and control option. Inside it, now you will be able to locate the option deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and simply tap on this option and now you will need to choose your Instagram account from here. Once after choosing, here you will be given options in order to deactivate or delete your account. Make sure the circle at the right side of deactivate account is selected. Once after doing that, tap on the continue button below. Now you will be prompted to enter the password of your account in order to confirm. Enter your password in this field and tap on continue again. After that, you will be prompted to choose a reason for deactivating your account from this menu. Select any one of these regions and scroll down. At the very bottom, tap on the continue button. And finally here, tap on continue once again. And now then, tap on deactivate account to confirm. Wait for a moment and then you will be able to deactivate your account now. After deactivating your account, you will be logged out from your account. You will be logged out from your account. Also, deactivating your account will hide your profile, photos, comments and likes until you reactivate it again by logging back in. And you can only deactivate your account once a week. So by following these steps, you should be able to deactivate your Instagram account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.